Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices so the process is fast and reliable. Turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and make sure the phone and the TV or receiver share the same network. Using the phone as a hotspot also works. Once done, swipe down to open the control center and tap screen mirroring or cast. You do this now because discovery depends on identical networks and active radios. This reduces lag and avoids pairing errors, so mirror discovery appears immediately. You'll see available devices listed. Pick the TV or casting dongle that matches its name. Tap it to initiate the connection and accept any pairing prompts on either end. Sometimes you must enter a 4-digit PIN shown on the TV. Once connected, open the Vivo cast settings to set display resolution or audio output to match the screen. This avoids stretched visuals or muted sound. Make sure to keep the phone unlocked until the stream stabilizes, because settings adjustments can interrupt the session. To end, stop casting from the control center or the cast notification. This cleanly releases the receiver. If you can't connect, reboot both devices and verify they are on the same band. Some TVs only support 4 GHz. Once done, check firewall or guest network restrictions. If the stream lags or drops, lower the mirror resolution, move the phone closer to the router, and close background apps to free CPU and bandwidth. That single reboot often resolves persistent pairing or discovery failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.